Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 VW T-Roc Design. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and a manual gearbox which is Euro 6 compliant, producing 113 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 45 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 11, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 46,000 miles and comes with service history from VW. This particular colour is called Pure White, and you've also got the black roof there as well, and both look in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice raised driving position there. The seats have a hard wearing fabric and a armrest there in the centre for the driver. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB radio, and this car also has climate control as well as cruise control and automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features there. And opening the rear doors, you've got good access there. So for example, if you're getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has three individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the back with their pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And as we open the tailgate, you have your split folding rear seats there, and also the adjustable floor that you can raise to two different positions, and also a space saver and extra storage underneath. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thank you.